Good morning, students. Previous lecture we see the difference between hardware and software. Okay. Now today's lecture we see the next point. Okay. Now I draw the diagram. Parts of computer. Parts of computer. There are two main parts of a computer. First one is the hardware and second one is the software. HARDWARE. This is the spelling of hardware, and software spelling is the SOFTWARE. Software. Okay. Then this is the main two parts, hardware and software. Then again, hardware can be divided into four types. Hardware can be divided into four types. First one is the input devices. Input devices. INPUT devices. Input devices. Second one is the processing device. PROCESSING. Processing device. Processing device. Third one is the output device. Third one is the output device. And last one is the memory device. Last one is the memory device. Memory device. Okay, look at this diagram. There are main two parts of a computer. First one is the hardware and second one is the software. Then hardware can be divided into four devices. First one is the input devices, second is the processing device, third one is the output device, and last one is the memory device. Then we see the one by one these all devices. First we see the input devices. First we see the input devices. Input devices. Okay, now I tell you the definition of input devices. Any machine that provides input to a computer is known as input device. Now I read the definition. Any device, any device, 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 any machine, that provides, PROVIDES, that provides input to a computer, is known as input devices. Input devices. Okay. Once again I tell you the definition of input devices. Any machine that provides input to a computer is known as the mouse. Keyboard and mouse are most commonly used input devices. Keyboard and mouse, these two are the most commonly used input devices. Then we see the some more input devices. First one is the keyboard. 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 Keyboard is the most common and very popular input device which helps in putting data to the computer. Keyboard is the most common input device and it is a very popular input device. Okay. Next one is the second is the mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Mouse is the pointing device. Mouse is the pointing. P-O-I-N-T-I-N-G. Pointing device. Mouse is the pointing device. It is a cursor control device having the small flame size box with the 2 clicks and 1 scroll button at the center. Means totally 3 buttons of a 3 buttons on the mouse. First 2 clicking buttons and 1 is the scroll button on the center, and mouse is the pointing device. Third one is the joystick. Joystick. Joystick is also a pointing device. Is also a pointing device. Joystick is used to move cursor on monitor screen. It is used to move cursor on the monitor screen. It is a stick having a spherical ball at its both lower and upper ends, and it is mainly used in the CAD. CAD stands for the computer. CAD stands for computer aided aided designing. Computer aided designing and playing computers game. Joystick is a pointing device and it is used most commonly used in the CAD. CAD stands for computer aided designing and also used for the playing computer game. Playing computers game. Okay. Then next one is a light pen. Fourth one is a light pen. Next one is a light pen. Light pen is also a pointing device. Pointing. Light pen is also a pointing device, which is similar to a pen. It is used to select. Light pen is used to select displayed menu, item, or draw pictures on the monitor screen. Means it is used for the display menu or draw pictures on the monitor screen. Then second one is a pen tablet. Scanner is an input device which is used to produce the exact copy of the document. Means pen tablet is same like a scanner machine. Same like a scanner. Scanner. It is used to save exact printed information of a document or photography. Means pen tablet is same like a scanner machine and it produces exact copy of the document and it is save the exact printed information of a document or a photography. Second one is a scanner. Scanner. Digitizers can be used by the computer to create pictures of whatever the camera had been pointed. A graphic tablet as digitizer is used to doing fine work of drawing and image manipulation application. Scanner is used in the work for drawing and image manipulation application. Then next one is a OCR. OCR. OCR stands for optical. OCR stands for optical character reader. OCR. OCR stands for optical character reader. It is also a input device. It is used to read a printed text. Means optical character reader is used to read a printed text. OCR scans text optically character by character, converts them into a machine readable code. Means one character can be read and it is converted into the machine readable code and store the text on the system memory, and it stores the text on the system memory. Next one is the barcode reader. Barcode reader is a device used for reading barcoded data in the form of the light and dark lines. Data in the light and dark lines. Barcoded data generally used in the labeling goods. These types of a line, and there is some codes. 1, 2, 6, 8, 2, 3. Barcode reader scans a barcode image, converts it into alphanumeric value, which is then fed to the computer. Means these lines have some numbers, alphabets or numbers, numeric value. It converts alphanumeric values into the numbers. Computers which barcode reader is connected. You must have seen barcode reader in the shopping malls. We see the barcode machine in the shopping malls. Next point is the OMR. OMR stands for optical, OPTICAL, optical marker, MARK, mark reader, READER. OMR stands for optical mark reader. OMR is a special type of optical scanner used to recognize the type of mark made by pen or pencil. It is used where one out of a few alternatives is to be selected and marked. It is specially OMR optical mark reader is specially used for checking the answer sheet of the examination. It is used for checking the answer sheet of examination. Checking the answer sheets of examination. Having multiple choice question means MCQ type of a test. This type of a answer sheet can be checked. This input device is used. And last one is a webcam. A webcam is a input device because it captures video images on the sense in front of it. It is either built in the computer. Webcam is an webcam. Last point is a webcam. Webcam is a input device because it captures a video image of the sense in the front of it. It is either built in the computer, for example a laptop, or it is connected to the USB cable. Okay. Which input devices we see? Keyboard, mouse, joystick, light pad, pen tablet, scanner, OCR. OCR stands for optical character reader, barcode reader, OMR optical mark reader, and webcam. Okay. Next point is a processing device. Processing device. Processing device. Okay. Which is the processing device? CPU is the processing device, and CPU stands for the central processing unit. Okay. Now listen. When a computer receives data from an input device, the data must go through the intermediate stage before it can be sent to an output device. Means when we send the inputs and then data goes to the next one. We see now input process output cycle. Input process output. This concept is used here. Receives like a monitor, printer or speaker. A processing device is any device in a computer that handles the intermediate stage, being responsible for controlling the stage and retrieval of the data. Means in input we see 2 plus 2. This is the input. Okay. What process happens? 2 plus 2 means here addition is happens, and we see the result in output stage is the 4. Okay. A processing device is any device in the computer that handles this is the intermediate stage, being responsible controlling the stage of the retrieval data. And some of the most common processing device is the CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Central Processing Unit. This is the important full form of the CPU. Okay, then we see the CPU in details. CPU. Okay. First point is the CPU is considered as the brain of the computer. CPU is also known as the brain of the computer. Central Processing Device. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. CPU performs all type of data processing operation. It stores data, intermediate results and instruction. It controls the operation of all parts of the computer. CPU has main three components: ALU. Second one is a memory or storage unit and control unit. Now I draw the diagram of CPU. CPU. Memory unit. MEMORY. Memory. Unit. UNIT. Memory unit. Then next one is a control unit. CONTROL control unit. UNIT unit. And next one is a arithmetic and logic unit. This is the output unit. Okay, everyone's clear. This is the diagram of the CPU. First one is the input unit. First block is the input unit. Here, this is first one is the CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Next one is the memory unit. This is the control unit. And here arithmetic and logic unit. And last one unit is the output unit. This is the diagram of the CPU. Okay, now we see the first point is the ALU. First one is the ALU. ALU stands for Arithmetic Logic Unit. ARITMETIC. Arithmetic Logic. LOGIC. Logic Unit. UNIT. Okay. ALU stands for Arithmetic Logic Unit. In Arithmetic Logic Unit consists of the two subsections. First section is the arithmetic section. First section is the arithmetic section, and second one is the logic section. The second one is the logic section. Logic section. ALU stands for Arithmetic Logic Unit, and again ALU divided into two subsections. First section is the arithmetic section and second section is the logic section. Okay, now we see the arithmetic section. Functions of arithmetic section is to perform arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Arithmetic operations some like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. All complex operations are done by making irrespective use of the above operation. Means arithmetic section consists of the arithmetic operations. Arithmetic section consists of the arithmetic operations. Seems like a addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And second section is the logic section. Second section is the logic section. In functions of logic section is to perform logic operations such as the comparing, selecting, matching and merging. Means and, not. This is the comparing. And select means greater than, less than, is equal. This is the logic section. And, or, greater than, less than and equal. Next point is a memory unit. Memory unit. This unit can be stored instruction, data and intermediate result. Means memory unit stores the instruction, data and intermediate result. The unit supplies information to the other units of the computer when needed. Other units la anyone information given the needed. It is also known as the internal storage unit or main memory. Memory unit is known as the main memory. Main memory or primary memory. Primary